think this is the river that we literally crossed yesterday. If you guys watched my video, hang on a second. In my previous video about the riverboat cruise, I think we crossed this one. And I've come to see the Notre-Dame. That's also one of the kind of popular place in Paris. If you are visiting Paris, actually, you need to visit this kind of locations. Basically, they are must. That's beautiful. Look at this, how beautiful they are. Kind of renovations going on at the moment. Yeah, and again, look, the padlocks around here. They are really heavy. But these padlock scams, I heard yesterday, not only just kind of they let you buy the padlock and then they remove it and resell it. Also, sometimes what they do is they'll come and offer you a padlock to put it there with your name on it. They probably will say that it's free, and once you put it, they will ask for a fee. So always make sure you say no to those kind of. Nothing is free in this world. So if they're saying that they're going to give something for free anywhere in the world, obviously there's a catch. So make sure that you don't fall for it. That's a beautiful. Look at that. Very beautiful building. And this is. Welcome to Notre Dame. Notre Dame? Notre Dame? Not sure, but yeah, this is one of the popular locations in Paris. As I said, guys, I'm going to be doing kind of help guide, what to look out for, scams and things like that in like every other trip that I make. So there'll be one coming for Paris. Watch out for it. If you are visiting Paris, it is very, it will be definitely useful for your safety and also comfortable journey. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel and click the notification, so when I upload that video you might be able to get those information. So that now I'm going to just show you the Notre Dame final bit because my battery is low right now.
The first time I stood before Notre-Dame de Paris, I was speechless. Rising in the heart of Paris, the cathedral felt timeless. Built beginning in 1163, it has watched centuries unfold. Its towers, sculptures, and carved facade seemed to whisper stories from medieval France. As I stepped closer, I noticed the incredible detail in the stonework. Every statue and arch felt intentional. I imagined the generations of craftsmen who spent nearly 200 years completing it. The size alone made me feel small, yet deeply connected to history. Standing there, I thought about the historic moments within these walls. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself emperor here. Literature also shaped its legacy through The Hunchback of Notre Dame by Victor Hugo, which helped restore its importance. I couldn't forget the 2019 fire that damaged the roof and spire. Watching it burn felt heartbreaking. Yet seeing restoration efforts today fills me with hope. Notre Dame is more than stone, it represents resilience, art, and the enduring spirit of France.
So when you come on this side, you have beautiful, look at this, wow. I need to understand what these are, because I don't understand what these are. But you can clearly see it's a beautiful carving on the wall. I'm not exactly sure what they are, so try to get the information and I'll put it for you. But yeah, it's beautiful. Look. Look at something there. There's something over here. What is this exact building?
I don't have literally, but it's very simple.
Is it? There's a pop piece there as well. Okay. They're so beautiful, to be honest. Look at these buildings over here, very, like glasses are very good glasses over here, to be honest. These are the things I've seen in the kind of movies. Just gonna go in. I don't know if I'm allowed to go in, but I'm gonna go in and check out this one here. But look at this. What's this? What is this? Looks like a poet, because the way you sit in there looks like a poet. And look at this. Another one. I wonder what this is. Looks like people are sitting here and praying. I don't know what this is. Some probably representing something. And over there you can see kind of prayer. I'm not too sure. I will try and find some facts about this and I'll put it for you guys. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows what these are, because this is one of the popular John's Son Eminence the Cardinal John's birthday. So it's from 1864. Yeah, something amazing. And look at this. I wonder what this is inside here, but we can't go in. Looks like another church, yeah. So you have like cross there. The sitting area where you can sit and kind of pray for it. There's another one over there. There's another. A beautiful, intriguing artwork. Look at this. Very beautiful. I think I'm gonna end my video here. We are heading down to the outside. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I think my battery is dead, unfortunately. I couldn't charge it last night, so the battery is dead. So, if you guys enjoying it, so going to the next location. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. That's the end of Notre-Dame. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna find out and figure out what that is, and I will give you some facts and figures. Thanks for watching my video. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next destination. Bye bye. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We came from Disneyland yesterday. Paris is a beautiful place to visit, but there are a few things that you need to make sure. There's a lot of pickpockets. We were very, very careful. This is kind of a main street, I think, from London. So this is, what's your name? Sammy. Yeah, it's called Kebab. It's like on the main road, and cherries, you got cherries there. Look at this building.